uSilia Brink ukholwa ukuthi umkhandlu kuneyinqumo ejulile kufanele bazithathe ngenhloso yokubhekela ukuthi uzinzo lwesikhwama somkhandlu sibuyele esimweni esingcono nokuzokelekelela ukuthi uma sekwethula umklamo wezimali akunazihibe ezokhinyabeza nokuhlinzekwa kwezidingo nenqalazinda yomphakathi.
This will involve election, including aggressively ramping up the Tshwane Yatima campaign, but it also means reducing expenses not needed for the core functions of the municipality and our constitutional mandate.
Esithangamini nabezindaba ekseni namhlanje ePitoli, owengamele ihhovisi lokuphathwa kwemali eTshwane umemezele iphakamise ezithile kanye neindlela ezokwenziwa umkhandlu emzabeni okonga ukusetshenziswa kwemali njengoba nesimo sisenzinyana ngasephaketheni lomkhandlu.
A major aspect in this budget will be the proposed 0% salary increases for councillors as well as for officials in the city. And that is due to the constrained liquidity situation that we find in the city, and with the National Treasury guideline that we need to reduce expenditure, and also on the back of what the Executive Mayor explained about the exorbitant salary increase that took effect in 2019.
Iziphathimandla zomkhandludolobha zexwayise izakhamizi ngokuthi zisazokhokha kakhudlwana ezintweni ezifana nogesi kanye namanzi nokuyisimo lesabathi singaphezulu kwabo njengoba kulawulwa iRand Water kanye neEskom.